Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi there, hi there. Okay, hi, I'm Vitaly. We started. Today we discuss rumors. Some rumors, some views, some video on YouTube and gossip. Okay, first of all, about peace negotiation and about negotiation with earth, rare earth metal. Okay, first of all, we have nothing to progress in peace negotiation and negotiation with rare earth metal. Yes, unfortunately, maybe. But I watched some video where Trump didn't agree about when he called Zelensky, President Zelensky, dictator. He say, "Oh, I call them dictator." Oh, I don't know. I don't remember. It's not possible. It's first lastочка. Okay, Trump make and concessions about Putin. All concessions. I think he make concessions, a lot of concessions. What else about rare earth metal? Nothing to progress to, and but we all remember when first time America and not correct, not once America and another country who have Budapest memorandum. If you remember, it's nobody fulfilled their obligations. Nobody fulfilled their obligations. Nobody, and we have war today. Okay, next we have President Zelensky have offer, create offer about we exchange prison of war all for all, but Trump nothing to say, nothing. Trump silent. Okay, next we go. Quickly. What we have? Oh, Trump lie about 350 billion dollars about debts or liabilities. Ukraine, it's bullshit, because Ukraine recognizes that 100 billions, but it's creates this sum from your imagine, I don't know, and they tell something 4% electorate. It's a lie too. It's too lie, yes. But I have gossip. I heard gossip about electorate own Trumps, and I heard average intelligence has below average intelligence. I don't know, but I heard this rumor when about the Putin, and this same rumors, same to same. And when you have Yanukovych in Ukraine president, it's rumors about electorate, the same people, same rumors and same people. I don't know. It's very cry, very cry. What we have, and all Secretary Trump's push on your mouth, very strange. Because I mean, it in the morning. At the morning they say once, but in the evening they deny all they thought what before. Yes, and I want to little news about Gaza, and I heard Trump wanted to create in the Gaza beautiful beach for billionaires, and I think Israel not happy in this in future. Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. It's just rumors. What we have. One I know. It's Ukraine need to air defense and airplanes, and very important for war. And I heard about sanctions. 13 banks fall within sanctions, and 64 tankers fall within sanctions. Yes, but I watch on internet one searching means one thing about how how much spent money in the war in Ukraine and Russia, and I counted it was in 5 times between years difference. It's Russia spent 460 billion and Ukraine 100 billion in year. It's 23 years. Think about it. Else I heard about Europe say they want to send troops. Send troops after the war for support peace. I think it's very strange because it's troops need right now. Because war it's right now. After war it's very will not useful. We need to Russia need lose right now. Ukrainian need win right now. That's all. Oh, I have one news from front. It's maybe several days ago. One of the way in the front, Russian militaries crash a lot of drones, and they thought it's Ukrainian drones, but and finally they understand it was Russian drones, and a lot of drones was crashed, and I try to find photo with that. It was very funny. Okay, guys, save himself, and next, see you later.